Hello, everyone. I had some hiccups while trying to record the audio of myself speaking while installing Embodied AI Architect by Branes. So I'm making an additional voiceover. So this is me just getting started. I have Git Bash on the left, and I have the installation instructions for the Embodied AI Architect on the right. So first, make sure your Python versions are up to date and your pip install is up to date. If you do those two things, it's pretty smooth from there. So let's see. First, we get started. We've created the virtual environment. We're starting the virtual environment. Once I have the virtual environment started, I kind of speed run through the pip installs. So I have some speed up happening on my screen as well. I don't want to bore you with watching the install things go past. Look at that. Very fast install. I did the advanced extras as well too. So I installed graphs and embodied schemas. I got my Anthropic API key and I exported that. And we just kept knocking things out until we could do Branes version. I needed to do a pip install torch as well to get things going. Error messages are a great way to replace reading the documentation beforehand. All right, we're at Branes -- version. I took a short break and I'll return to create my project. Hello, everyone. Today I'm here working with Embodied AI Architect, a project from Branes AI to help bring the AI advances we're seeing in software into the physical world. And I thought it would be cool to check it out and see what I could do with this tool. Maybe I can build an auto locker, for instance, to provide water, food, shelter, and healthcare as sort of a quick get what you need package, as long as I have some additional AI tools in it to make sure that the inventory is already up to date. If I'm grabbing my things quickly to go out, either one, to evacuate in case of emergency, we have a wildfire or something, or two, I want to pick up my bag and take it camping for the weekend, I could use my auto locker. Now, right now, it is kind of annoying when I want to do these things quickly. It means I have to take inventory of my supply box and check and make sure I have all of the essentials for food and cooking over the weekend. Plus, healthcare needs. You might need some Band-Aids, some sunscreen, soap to keep yourself clean. I'm really good on water, though. I always have a couple gallons of water hanging out somewhere. Practically shake me and water falls out of my hands. And that's about it. So let's get into using the Embodied AI Architect to see what we can do. So I've got a split screen window here. On the left, I have my Git Bash with my terminal set up. On the right, I have some tutorials from Branes AI. And let's see what happens if I follow the suggestions. I've already done all this pip install. Let's verify my installation. Branes -- version. Version 1.0.8. Next steps. Run through the quick start. It says, this guide walks you through the mission-driven design life cycle, from defining what you want to build through component selection to system synthesis. Sounds good for me. So first, create a mission. Okay. Branes mission, new auto locker. Goal. Inventoried supply kit for fast camping or evacuation. Oh dear. There we go. mission created. Name auto locker. Goal, an inventoried supply kit for fast camping or evacuation. And doesn't say status as far as I can tell. Qualify the goal. The qualifier walks through structured questions to derive specific constraints from your goal. Use auto for default answers. Okay. Branes design qualify mission auto locker. And we'll go with auto for now. Okay, so it does have some things that need work on. So the tangibility is 0%. It's missing a platform. It's missing perception tasks. It's missing control output. It's missing a power envelope, and it's missing the environment. Oh dear. Let's try. What type of platform is this designed for? It's asking me. I think it will be a Raspberry Pi. But I do wonder, what does it mean exactly by platform? I'm not totally sure Raspberry Pi is the right choice here. Maybe I want to use an ESP32 here, or an FPGA. Let's go with Raspberry Pi. I have a couple of those laying around, so if that's what it says, I'll be all set. Oh dear. File error. Cannot create a file when that file already exists. Bit of a hiccup. It says survey complete, but missing platform, perception, control, power, environment. Some requirements could not be determined from the answers given. All right, let's just try this again. Maybe without the auto next time. And I'll just say RPi. Maybe it was, nope, still upset. Okay, let's try to not do auto locker. Auto, there. Mission auto locker, and see what happens. Loaded mission auto locker. What type of platform is this designed for? Raspberry Pi. Cannot create a file when this file already exists. I will check with tech support and get back to you once I figure this out.